transformation of my living room. Happy New Year, guys. So throughout last year, when I started the video, I said I did not give you guys a house tour when we moved in here, but it's like 2 years. We've been here for 2 years now and wanted to give this place a facelift and just make it look like us. And so we've been doing a lot of work, they've been doing a lot of things, so we are living room is together, and I want to show you guys, so come along with me. I've created a playlist of my old living room transformations. I really enjoyed this type of videos, and please watch them, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. You guys, by renovating our place, since we moved in, I don't think we're giving you guys a house tour, or I did it, I privated it. So we just want to give it a facelift, okay, to make it look better. So yeah, so come along. We are day market. This is the building material market. Let me hold my phone. So this is the building material market in Abuja. The major, there are different building material markets, but this is the major one. So I followed my husband because I want to choose the wallpaper. Anything else it can do, but you see that wallpaper and the television backdrop, I don't want to hear stories, so that's why. So they were going to go and get like things for chandelier and all of that. I concede, I don't have problem, but you see that wallpaper, I must choose it by myself. So come along with.
I'm doing what the man said that I should do.
Okay, the Rubik's Cube.
If I put this cube, if I have this cube here, and I have this cube here, how can I make this cube get on a free parking spot? I just do it like how I did it before.
Okay.
I did.
No, you don't want to see this TV wire.
I don't want to see any wires, not just TV, all the wires. I'm not seeing any wire. Please.
What type of wallpaper is this one?
This is Bridge Cloud.
Okay. Is it German made, Nigerian made?
This is Turkey.
Turkey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Their quality product from Turkey, and the best of them is Italy.
Italy.
And this one is the same standard as that of Italy.
As that of Italy. Okay. You guys see my interior designer wear suits.
I had to come wear for we will not always look like so even if she wants slap it, she can't wear suit.
He knows how to do work, it's just that you go quarrel tired, that's the only thing. But more people will determine whether his work is fine or not. So they are doing the, what's this one now?
That's the standing shelf.
Standing shelf.
Yes, with the LED light.
Oh, okay. So it's going to have LED lights.
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's this thing here.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So this board now, what's the board about?
This board serves for the telly area. The telly will be on it.
Okay.
So that's why we have it. We have to select this to have very good contrast.
Okay.
Yeah, this is metallic and gray.
Okay.
Because these are wall panels. Come, please. We didn't use a wall panel. We did the sequential like flow. Both the wall panels and the what do you call it? The wallpaper.
Okay.
No problem, understand you.
Please tell it will deal. I bet check out properly. So this is the wall panel. We have to select.
Okay.
So that we have a perfect flow. What we'll do.
Okay. This wall panel is it Nigerian made or?
This is
Turkey.
yes.
So it's like Turkey is the place to go for interior stuff.
Different Turkey and Italy. China too, they are good when you're looking for so much
Okay.
to do. But for quality, initial we know Japan for quality, we know Korea
Okay.
for quality. China, we know that they are the warehouse of the world for them to get some of these things. We also have this from China.
Oh, okay. So there's China, there's Turkey.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So the one we're dealing with here is
Turkey.
Yes.
Okay, so you guys, I'll show you when we are done. You can see this whole place is a big mess. Guys, the work is progressing. The wallpaper guy is still fixing the wallpaper, and the furniture people that have put up. So I'll show you guys when they are done. They go to the Bunks family. We wanted something that was intellectual and minimalist. We didn't want it to be overdone. Like, just wanted something really simple, and you know that okay, these people are intellectuals, and it's very, very minimalist and calm. So this is what the console looks like. We have this wall cladding in the middle, then you have this board, yeah, and the shelf. So this shelf now, my husband loves a lot of books, but I'm not sure I want to put books in this parlor, to be honest. I said I don't need to carry his books to his office, so we're going to get like decor pieces and put them there. And it has a pineapple fruity smell. It's so nice. I really, really like it. So the wallpaper, I like the wallpaper. The wallpaper is so, it's not white, it's almost like a type of beige or silver type of thing. I wanted a contrast, okay? Didn't really want that white backdrops that you usually everywhere. I wanted like a contrast that's not all white. So yeah, that's basically it. We didn't change our chairs because I like the chairs, even though my husband wanted to change it. I said she leave it. So this console used to be in that location before, we just transformed it to put like a stand on it, so it's more like a type of storage. And I intend to get like vases and just little things to put on it. Then another thing we did was to put this place as a storage. So there are a lot of things inside here, so we got a board and just cordoned it off. So if we have guests, you don't have to see those storage things that are inside there. So that's basically what we did. And we changed the lights. That's my least favorite part of this parlor right now, because it doesn't illuminate everywhere, it just focuses on the walls. I think it's more like a design thing. But it's cute, it has this coziness to it. It's just that I would have preferred a light that brightens everywhere. So the color isn't really very white, so it's not accentuating the white. Okay, we also repainted. This place used to be a creamy color, so this is white, but you can't really see the white now because of how the light just diffuses everything. So yeah, so that's basically the transformation in my living room. I'm going to put a playlist of my old living room transformations. When I was doing this video, I went to watch it and I was like, oh wow, look how far one has come. One has to be grateful to God. So yeah, thank you so much guys, and thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and like the video. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.